I was born and raised in a refugee camp that's located in the northern part of Rwanda. We stayed in small huts in a camp with hundreds of families, and we were saving at home. And I remember we didn't have any water or electricity at home. As soon as I could walk, I would go with my sisters to fetch water so that we could bathe and wash our clothes and cook our food. There was this one time, it was in the middle of the night, I had my mom calling my name, and then she was like, "Your dad is not breathing," and he was having seizures, and we didn't have 911 there. So the only thing that I could do is wake up neighbors and tell them that we need help here. The neighbors took him to the hospital, and all I was thinking was, I want to be able to help somebody in this situation in the future. So it became an inspiration to me to go to school and study and become a doctor and help somebody in this similar situation. During my 17 years in the camp, I always knew that school is the only way that I'm gonna have a better future, not just me, but also my family. And then there was this opportunity in the camp that they were gonna take one girl outside of the camp to take her to high school. And I was like, this is my only shot. The first 2 weeks of us being here in the States, I was just really scared and just nervous of being in public and not speaking the same language that everyone else is speaking. And I just wanted to go out there and just talk to people and share my story. Because for me, sharing my story, it makes me feel free and that I matter. Beating the odds to me means not using the circumstances and the struggles that you're going through as an excuse. I want to make sure that my friends that I left in the camp have someone to look up to. I want them to know that I was there not so many years ago. And now I'm here and big things are happening to me. Everything is possible. And if I did it, they too can do it.
My name is Aline Irafasha, and I beat the odds.